Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to embed YouTube video on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So what you need to do is first of all find the video you want to add. So go to YouTube,
Всем привет!
open video, any video you want, and click on share. Here you need to click on copy link. So now when our link is copied, we go to our Reddit, click on create post, write title, write body text, and here you need to click on this chain icon and enter a link. So we already copied our link, so just add it, click on next, choose subreddit you want to add your video and click on post. And now our post is ready and our video was added to Reddit. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.